Morning students, today we will continue our second chapter. As you all know that the name of this chapter is How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. Till now we read that the dog had chosen a bear as his master. One day they both were in the forest. Suddenly they noticed the cows were mooing. Mooing is the sound made by cows. The cows were afraid and running here and there. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. So the bear tried to find out the reason he looked out standing behind a tree, and he also started running towards the forest. Now, why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts. The dog asked him why they were running towards the forest. The bear told him that there is a lion who rules this forest. The lion? Who is he? The dog had never heard about him. He wanted to know more about the lion. Don't you know he is the strongest beast on earth? The bear got surprised and said, How can you say you don't know him? The lion is the strongest beast. Strongest means powerful. Beast means animal. So the lion is the strongest animals. Well, then I will say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. When dog heard it, he decided to leave the bear and said, well means all right. Means he said goodbye to him and said he wanted a master who is the strongest on this earth. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. And dog went to the lion to ask him to be his master. Agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. The lion agreed. They both started living together. It was a good life and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch the dog or offend him in any way. The dog was happy with this life. He did not have any complaint against it, as he had understood there is no one on this earth as strong as lion, and no one dared trouble the dog as he was in service of lion. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliffs when all of a sudden the lion stopped. After a long time, the lion and the dog were walking amid a bare cliff. Cliff means steep or high rock. Suddenly, the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly, and he roared angrily. Roared means the sound made by the lion. He put his paw means claw with force, and it formed hole in the ground. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. The dog got surprised and asked him what was the matter. I smell a man coming this way, the lion said. We would better run for it or we will be in trouble. The lion replied him that he could smell a man and it would be better for us to run away, else we will be in trouble. Oh, well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. Now, dog understood that there is someone stronger than the lion on this earth. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago. But to this day, the dog is man's most loyal servant. and knows no other master. So he left the lion and went to the man and chose him as his master forever from that very day. The dog is man's most loyal servant. It is the most faithful animal on this earth.